Have you ever looked at your skin after 60 and wondered, why does it suddenly look more dull, dry, and tired even when you try to take care of yourself? Many seniors notice this slowly happening. The glow fades, fine lines look deeper, and the skin no longer feels fresh like before. But what if one simple ingredient added to beet juice may help support a healthier and brighter-looking skin naturally? Now, before we continue, it's important to understand something clearly. This is not magic. This is not an overnight fix. This is a consistent process that may help support healthy-looking skin over time. In this video, I'm sharing simple ingredients people are adding to beet juice because they may help support skin glow, firmness, and freshness naturally after 60. And one ingredient later in this video is surprising many seniors right now. Before we go deeper, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, if you could change one thing about your skin after 60, what would it be? Fresh lemon juice. This is one of the most common ingredients seniors are now adding to beet juice. And honestly, many people ignore it because it looks too simple. But sometimes the smallest habits become the most powerful over time. Beet juice naturally contains iron and plant nutrients that help support healthy circulation. Lemon contains vitamin C, which helps support collagen production and also helps the body absorb iron better. And after 60, collagen becomes very important because the body slowly starts making less of it. That is why many seniors start noticing sagging skin, dullness, and dryness more than before. Some people now drink beet juice with fresh lemon juice in the morning a few times each week as part of a healthy lifestyle. They usually squeeze fresh lemon directly into the beet drink before drinking it. Many seniors say this combination feels refreshing and lighter compared to plain beet juice alone. And the interesting part is this. Most people think skin changes only happen outside the body, but many experts now believe healthy-looking skin often starts from what you consistently give your body from the inside. That is where the next ingredient becomes very interesting. Raw turmeric. This bright yellow ingredient has been used for generations in wellness routines. Raw turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And many seniors are now adding a very small amount of it to beet juice because they want to support overall wellness and healthy-looking skin naturally. Some people notice their skin looks less tired and puffy when they stay consistent with healthy habits like this. Others say their skin starts looking fresher and calmer over time. Again, this is not a cure or a medical treatment. It is simply a natural wellness habit many seniors enjoy adding to their routine. And here is something important. Only a tiny amount is needed. Too much turmeric can make the drink very strong and bitter. That is why many people only add a small pinch while mixing their beet juice. What makes this combination interesting is how these ingredients work together. Beet juice supports circulation, lemon supports collagen maintenance, and turmeric helps support the body's natural balance. Small steps, simple ingredients, consistent habits. That is what many seniors are focusing on now, instead of chasing expensive products with unrealistic promises online. But wait until you hear what people are now adding next, because the next ingredient is becoming extremely popular among adults over 60 who want their skin to look smoother and more firm naturally. And many people say this ingredient completely changed how their skin feels over time. Hydrolyzed collagen powder. This is the ingredient many seniors are suddenly becoming curious about after 60. And honestly, the reason makes sense. One of the biggest changes people notice with aging skin is that the face slowly starts losing that soft, full, smooth look it once had. The skin may begin feeling thinner. Wrinkles may look deeper. And sometimes the face can appear more tired even after a good night of sleep. That is because collagen naturally becomes lower with age. And collagen is important for helping support skin structure and elasticity. This is why many older adults are now adding hydrolyzed collagen powder directly into beet juice as part of their wellness routine. But here is what surprises many people. The goal is not perfection. The goal is support. Many seniors online are no longer chasing impossible beauty promises. Instead, they are focusing on simple habits that may help support healthier-looking skin over time. And collagen powder has quietly become one of the most talked-about additions. Most people only add 1 scoop into fresh beet juice. Then they mix or blend it well until the drink becomes smooth. Some seniors drink it in the morning. Others enjoy it during lunch a few times each week. The routine itself is usually very simple, and the interesting thing is this. Many people say beet juice alone feels earthy and strong, but when collagen powder is added, the texture often becomes softer and creamier. That small change actually helps many seniors stay more consistent with the drink, because consistency matters more than extreme routines. Some people expect healthy habits to work overnight, but most long-term wellness routines work slowly, quietly, step by step. And honestly, that is probably healthier for the mind, too. One older man shared that after retirement, he stopped paying attention to his health for years. He said his skin started looking dry and tired, especially around the cheeks and forehead. Then one day his daughter suggested adding collagen powder into his beet drink routine. He started drinking it regularly along with healthier meals and more water. He later said he simply felt fresher and more confident in his appearance over time. Not perfect, not magically younger, just healthier and more cared for. That realistic approach is what many seniors are now appreciating. And here is another interesting part people rarely talk about: hydration. As we age, dry skin can become more noticeable, and dry skin often makes wrinkles appear stronger than they really are. That is why many seniors now focus on drinks and foods that help support hydration from the inside. Some people believe combining beet juice with collagen and lemon creates a smoother and more refreshing drink compared to beet juice by itself. And when a routine feels enjoyable, people are far more likely to continue it. That matters a lot more than most people realize. Now, there is another ingredient people are quietly adding to this drink because of how fresh and smooth it makes the entire blend feel: green apple. And this ingredient may be more important than many seniors think. Green apples contain natural nutrients and compounds that may help support skin freshness and elasticity. They also give the drink a lighter and slightly sweeter taste without needing large amounts of sugar. Many seniors now blend a few slices of green apple directly into beet juice along with lemon and collagen powder. And surprisingly, this small addition changes the drink completely. The flavor becomes fresher, the texture feels smoother, and many people say it becomes much easier to enjoy regularly. But there may be another reason this ingredient is becoming so popular after 60. Skin texture. Some seniors say their skin starts looking rougher or less vibrant with age. While no food can stop natural aging, nutrient-rich ingredients may help support overall skin health as part of a balanced lifestyle. And many people now prefer simple kitchen ingredients over expensive products filled with complicated promises. Just think about that for a moment. Simple beet juice, fresh lemon, a little collagen powder, a few slices of green apple. Nothing extreme, nothing unrealistic. Just supportive ingredients combined into one consistent daily habit. And believe it or not, there is still one final ingredient left. And this last ingredient is becoming extremely popular because many seniors say it makes the drink feel cleaner and more refreshing from the very first sip: mint leaves. This may be one of the most refreshing ingredients people are now adding to beet juice after 60. And strangely, many seniors say they never expected something this simple to make such a noticeable difference in how the drink feels. Because let's be honest for a moment, many healthy drinks sound good at first, but after a few days, people stop drinking them. Sometimes the taste feels too heavy, sometimes the drink feels too strong, and sometimes the body simply does not enjoy it enough to stay consistent. That is exactly why many adults over 60 are now adding fresh mint leaves into beet juice, not to create a miracle, not to reverse aging, but to make the drink feel cleaner, lighter, and more refreshing as part of a healthy lifestyle. And honestly, that small change may be more important than people realize. Mint has been used in wellness routines for generations. Many people enjoy it because it helps support digestion and gives a naturally cooling feeling. And when the body feels lighter and refreshed internally, many seniors believe their skin also starts looking more awake and healthy over time. Again, this is not a medical treatment or a cure for skin problems. It is simply one small supportive habit many people enjoy adding into their daily routine. Some seniors now blend a few fresh mint leaves directly into beet juice along with lemon and other ingredients. Others place mint on top after blending for a fresher taste. And surprisingly, many people say this one ingredient completely changes the experience of drinking beet juice. The drink feels fresher, the smell feels cleaner, and the strong, earthy taste becomes softer and easier to enjoy. That matters because healthy habits only work when people can continue them consistently. One older couple shared that they started making fresh beet drinks together every morning after retirement. At first, they struggled with the taste of plain beet juice, but after adding mint leaves and lemon, they said the drink felt lighter and more refreshing. Over time, it became part of their normal morning routine instead of something forced. And honestly, that is the real secret many seniors are learning now. Simple habits are often easier to maintain than extreme routines. That is why more adults over 60 are now moving toward natural kitchen ingredients instead of complicated beauty trends online. And there is another reason mint is becoming popular. Refreshing habits often encourage better hydration. As people age, dehydration can sometimes make the skin appear more dry and tired. Many seniors notice that when they consistently drink more fresh fluids and focus on supportive nutrition, their skin starts looking healthier overall. Not younger overnight, not magically perfect, just healthier and more refreshed. And that realistic goal is far more powerful in the long run. Now imagine this for a moment. Fresh beet juice, a little lemon, a small scoop of collagen, a few slices of green apple, fresh mint leaves blended together, simple ingredients from the kitchen, no impossible promises, no fake overnight transformations. No dangerous shortcuts. Just a consistent wellness routine many seniors are now enjoying because it feels fresh, calming, and realistic. And honestly, that may be the biggest change happening after 60. More people are finally focusing on supporting their body instead of fighting against natural aging. Because healthy aging is not about looking 20 again. It is about feeling fresh, feeling confident, and taking care of yourself in simple ways that actually feel sustainable. What makes this beet juice routine interesting is not one single ingredient alone. It is the way simple ingredients work together as part of a consistent lifestyle after 60. Fresh lemon adds brightness and helps support collagen maintenance. Turmeric brings natural antioxidant support. Collagen powder helps support skin structure. Green apple gives freshness and a smoother taste. And mint leaves make the drink feel lighter and more refreshing. And honestly, many seniors now say the biggest change is not only how the drink tastes, it is how taking care of themselves starts feeling again. Because after a certain age, many people stop prioritizing themselves. Life becomes busy, stress builds over the years, and sometimes seniors quietly accept tired-looking skin as just aging. But many older adults are now realizing something important. Healthy aging does not mean giving up on yourself. It means supporting your body in realistic and sustainable ways. Some mornings may feel exhausting. Some days the skin may still look dull. That is normal. But consistent habits often matter more than perfect results. And that mindset is changing how many adults over 60 now approach wellness and skincare naturally. One simple drink, a few real ingredients, and a routine that feels calm instead of complicated. That is why so many seniors are becoming more interested in supportive wellness habits instead of chasing impossible beauty trends online. And remember, this is not magic. It is not an overnight transformation. It is simply a consistent process that may help support healthy-looking skin as part of a balanced lifestyle. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments. Which ingredient surprised you the most in this beet juice routine after 60?